Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Health Asia organizers, Dr. Zakiuddin Saab and Farhan and to their team, to everybody who's present in this August gathering, to Assalamu alaikum to all of you. It was a great success, mashallah. Today, more than 18,000 plus people have visited the expo today, and the best thing, many countries participated in it under one roof. Entire Pakistan was there. Entire Pakistan's healthcare industries was there. Teachers, professors, schools, colleges, and all the pharmaceutical industry, medical equipment industries, and everybody was there. First time ever in the history of Pakistan, in last 22 years, I was told, never government of Pakistan participated the way we participated today. Entire federal ministry was there today, and they're going to be there another 2 more days, inshallah ta'ala. The idea was to show the gesture to the entire Pakistan and entire private organization, entire visitor from the different part of the world, that under one roof, government of Pakistan as well as the private sectors are together. Anything, any regulation, anything which is required from our end, we are ready to do that. We are flexible to do that, and our job is to facilitate the businesses, our job to facilitate the private sector. And inshallah ta'ala, with this attitude and with this partnership, I have no qualms saying it that there will be a day when Pakistan will become a shining star when it comes to an health sector of Pakistan. And when I say health sector, that means we'll create an environment and will enable that environment where people of Pakistan will fall sick in a less manner, in a less number. Right now, like I always say, and I keep on repeating this thing, that we are having right now is a sick care system where we wait for the patient in every hospital, and those numbers are so high. So we have to go on prevention, we have to go on digitization, we have to go on establishing a primary healthcare system and secondary healthcare system of Pakistan. In order to do that, in order to achieve that, inshallah ta'ala, government and the private sector, we are working hand in gloves together. Inshallah ta'ala, together we'll achieve objective, our target. Just couple of weeks back, there was a conference there in Islamabad, PMA's conference there in Islamabad, and they were setting up their target for the export, for pharmaceutical export, and that was 3 billion they were talking about. Right now, we are $1 billion in export here from Pakistan, and they were talking about in another couple of years, we are going to have 3 billion export from Pakistan. So I intervened. I said, who have conceived this number? We are competing with ourselves, and this year, the pharma export has increased 38% compared to last year. And I asked the question, 38% of what? 38% of nothing. So if we didn't progress in last couple of decades, why are we competing with that? So let's set up a target. Let's have an aggressive plan, and let's have a reverse engineering. I suggested, and I have taken this challenge on myself and on the ministry. So in 5 years down the line, inshallah ta'ala, from now onwards, Pakistan's exports going to be, inshallah ta'ala, we are going to work very hard. Export of pharmaceutical could be, inshallah ta'ala, 30 billion, inshallah ta'ala. And in order to achieve that 30 billion, everything which is required from the government's facilitation, we are very open to do that. So let's set up a target, not with the past experience. Let's have an aggressive target, and let's have a reverse engineering on that. So that's a bad news for our people, the facilitator, the government organization, government officials, that anything which pharmaceutical industries needed, inshallah ta'ala, will be provided. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for giving this opportunity. And Karachi as a business hub, I'm seeing all these people from different walks of life, different part of the world. It's very heartening to see you all, and I wish you success. I wish this Health Asia is a success, and I see, inshallah ta'ala, this exhibition, this expo will bring much more better fruit, inshallah ta'ala, for Pakistan as far as the healthcare system of Pakistan is concerned. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you.